After this video, you'll never look at flies the same way again. Humans actually share about 60% of their core genes in DNA with the common housefly, a fact that sounds completely bizarre but makes a surprising amount of sense once you see why. To understand this staggering overlap, you need to see DNA not as a blueprint, but as a vast, organized library of instructions. Each book in that library performs a specific task, helping the organism survive and function. The truth is, roughly 60% of human and fly DNA contains similar instructions, not appearances. Both systems can learn, store memories, recognize patterns, and adjust behavior through experience. These shared instructions form the core biological machinery of life. The remaining 40% is where the paths diverge. In humans, these instructions support language, abstract reasoning, long-term planning, and complex social structures. In flies, they support extreme speed, rapid reflexes, and highly specialized sensory systems. Both are highly optimized, but for very different worlds. And the final difference isn't just what instructions exist, but how they are arranged, combined, and activated. The same elements assembled in different ways can produce entirely different outcomes.
So I'm 60% fly?
You? Possibly. This overlap doesn't stop with flies. Those same DNA instructions appear across life itself. We share around 20% with bacteria, about 40% with fungi, roughly 60% with plants, even bananas, nearly 80% with mammals like cows, and with apes, the similarity rises to almost 98%. What changes isn't the foundation, but the way it's expanded, refined, and repurposed. Evolution doesn't constantly invent new DNA sequences. It edits, rearranges, and builds on what already works. There isn't just one kind of fly. There are over 100,000 known species, varying in shape, color, and size. They exist on almost every continent, thriving in environments where very little else survives. Flies see almost everything around them, nearly 360 degrees. Combined with some of the fastest reflexes in nature, it doesn't make them smarter, it just keeps them alive, a little longer. Instead of relying on the mouth alone, flies sense chemical information through their legs, sampling food before they ever commit to eating.
Honestly, life would be perfect without flies.
As annoying as they are, flies are essential. They break down waste, recycle nutrients, help plants reproduce, and feed entire ecosystems.
I get it. Useful. Still annoying.
Better than just annoying.